Mimo obi bi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. And you say heads of secondary schools. Just say secondary schools or headmasters. Any of headmistresses. Or secretary ababon saying ababa bekasa. Na yenim say you see, I'm going to address two issues in this story. Papa na wababon saying ababa bekasa. And I feel say he has made a statement bia. We are going to address it. I'll read an article and all that. Listen, I am not I am not faulting any head. Say, the Intiana President Akufo-Addo time. Omoye kum a ende womo kasa. Any organization bia omo ye education sector no. Na first omoye kuma ende womo nya voice a womo kasa no. Me, I am not part of those people a ye bo mochi say, the Intiana Akufo-Addo time. Mwankasa afiansa mwenya mo voice amokasa dabi. I have told you, I voted for NDC because I knew say NDC time na nkrofo we ni na to menya kukudro kasa. And ye person omokasa na Ghana ye. Intino, I am not faulting them. I am not bashing them. But it is another thing. Say, more better up na mo Ghana for eluki say, oh na mo kasa de dada. Na yen Ghana for na yentie. Please. And it looks like this is the approach in Penyufo Webi, episode moteki. Sabe, Ghana na yeti ni yasun sisiye, na yeni emfraye, ni na yeti krumha. Se nyama esi, na nka mo kasa, na kiyebeti. And headmasters ni headmistress, ewa Ghana secondary schools ni na omuku epenyi baakon. Ne din di Primus Barrow. Waba bonten de nsema ba betuja. Na asemu a wo kan say SHS crisis ewo ho secondary schools. There are crises in the secondary school. There is a crisis in the secondary schools. Or say the quality of food. Eduane a yede ma nkola no ewo Ghana secondary schools no eduane ne nye. I say the quality of food for students sometimes is so bad, I won't feed that to my child. But that is all we had. I say eduane a yedema enkolano secondary schools no. Eduane ne nye asay atete apansan apro ono kra ne mba no. Enya dia wodi say eduane ne be momo. Nanso eno e na ban de momo. Nti dian e na omo beye. Na me say, hey, President Akufo-Addo time ya ntesa mo kasa wo. And then the money na mwenya kukudro more can the truth and ye ni na yenim. Muja Ghana for Emma it looked like say NDC for and ye propaganda etia free SHS. Me wa na mo ye heads of these secondary schools no. Kadia mo be ya ne say mo be troll letter address say indeed the quality of food in this country no secondary schools no enye. Mu ye kom and it looked like say NDC na ye propaganda etia aban. Meanwhile NDC was saying the truth. And a Ghana for catcher sa and Crawford Penyufo yi say. Didn't na President Akufo-Addo time mo ye kum. Didn't na fei and amonia kukudro amokasa. Na penyi we no yenti asemo awokan. Let me read this article. Let me read the asemo awokan. I say Primus Barrow, I am reading, right? Primus Barrow, the National Secretary of the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools, has firmly rejected accusations that the organization has been silent on the ongoing issues facing secondary schools in Ghana. Or rejected, says any Ghana focus under President Akufo-Addo no more yekom no, enye no kware eyentro. President Akufo-Addo time no more kasa. Hey, na mo kasa. Inti die intia na yentie mone, yentie. Also, in an interview on TV3's Hot Issues, Barrow addressed the claims head-on, stating, if anybody says Charles has been quiet, it is not true. It is unfortunate. Charles has never been quiet. So Obi Obeka say, Omo, no mo ye kom and Akufo-Addo bia na nya no kware, no mo nye kom bia no mo kasa. Ose Barrow explained that While the media may now be more focused on these issues due to a change in government, Charles has always been vocal about the challenges. Ti papa ne nsɛm wɔ ka ne sɛ ɛyɛ media no ɛna na first na ɔmo kasa media ne mfa wɔ mo nsɛm enti na ayɛ te sɛ deɛ wɔ mo ayɛ kom bɛndɛ yɛ sesa aban ne nti media ne deɛ ɔmo attention abɔ ɔmo so nti it looks like sisi ade ɔmo kasa but ɔmo yɛ obi ana de bi ɔmo kasa. I say I don't know for some reason if because of the change in government the media houses are now trying to find out some of these issues because these same letters have been out there. He said, pointing out that the organization's concerns have been long standing. He also emphasized that Charles had already brought the issues to the Parliamentary Select Committee last year, making it clear that they've been actively engaged in finding solutions. Also, indeed, last year, we went up to the Parliamentary Select Committee, so we've been talking, Barrow added. Yeah, can't talking now. Papa, in some way, what can I say? They went to the Parliament Select Committee. Inti, ene ye kasa. Na uko Parliament Select Committee a kasa ben. How many issues na uko Parliament Select Committee at the end of the day Ghana for? Ete. Me de me baba school. Aban hunti. Eduane a wode ma meba eye eduane fon a wa wo ka se enye eduane a wo teacher ne kra wo de be ma oba. O se me de akwa akoto Parliament Select Committee enimiti ne trese na me kasa. You know. Unim. Say Parliament Select Committee a mode sansem na akwa akoto na enya de Ghana fo bete. Munim. Me pese me bisa Papa Primus Barrow. Say this is the first time me Melodies Amity Martin Idimpo. I didn't even know. Say Charles executive minimum mudin. And I am someone who is even in the media. And it basically tells me, Nanka occasionally mobile bontin babe kasa. Nanka yebe hu din. Mi pese mi bisa ne say, and there. Wetumi ababe tina TV3 a waye interview no. Question mi pese mi bisa ne say. Under President Akufo-Addo, when was the last time otumi betina TV3 na eye interview eka say eduane a yede ma nkola e wo schools no enye, and that is evidence enough for every person to see say indeed under President Akufo-Addo no na mo nkasa etefo na de miki me bodam de miki se nya no kware amoma menti ase. Papa nsɛm a wɔka ne sɛ and Akufo-Addo no ɔmo kasa ɛyɛ media ne na mfi ɔmo but and then nsɛm a wɔka no na wɔka atrɛ TV3 o eti question na me bisa ne sɛ during President Akufo-Addo otumi kɔtena TV3 kan nsɛm wɔ ende wɔka ende sɛ wɔkasa sɛ aduane a ne yɛde mo ɔmo no ɛnyɛ meboa nti during Akufo-Addo time no otumi nya saa kokuduro no tumi kɔtena TV3 ɛka saa nsɛm no because yɛ kasa na nka wɔkasa nanka eno no nanka ye ka se ebia adentia na mo ayekom na wa trade date say in 2023 me be ye interview wo TV3 interview na me be ye wo TV3 no se me ka tre mo se eduane na ye de ma ye ne eduane a na ni eduane papa nti eno mpo de at least tre se ne ye kasa nanka eno no ye de ehu evidence me bo a eno no but when to me anka bibia saa when to me am pinpoint interview bi a wo call ye media platform bi a oni omo kasa aye mo ntumi am pinpoint letters bi yet na Chrome Hammer okuja to abla kwa you see internet asem we ya na meka ne se won Ghana won se wo bi ya adepa na ye suro se ye bedi nipa kro na chi a ya na wan hwe ya wo sa de na boni o ya na ye nkrofo se ye kasa obi di boni a na trese nipa kro a or perpetrate crime no pe no di boni da bi wa wonim no kware no se nipa kro na odi bone no e wo se wo kasetia no ana wo bi ye papa etia bone no na wo se wo support se nipa ko no ye papa no na wa ye kom na otie echi na wo hwe wo nso wo ka mo di bone ne hu bi ye kan bone ye fo a wo ka hu bi and it is even in the Bible se wonim se ye twa ntra to obi so wonim se wo bi di bone ye twa ntra to obi so na wo ye kom na wo hwe se ye nya wo nso wo ka hu bi ye bebu aten wo ka hu bi. Just recently, No member of parliament, no politician in this country fought for you like Okudzato Ablakwa. Exposed with evidence. Eduane atenti ampansan ya pro. Wade beto Ghana fo ni ma ye ni na ye hu eduane ane e de mamo. Yenya it's that time no the chief of staff Fremont Pare. Eba be kan say e ntro no Okudzato Ablakwa e twa ntro. All you people had to do as heads of second cycle institutions, as heads of SS, and it's a mobile troll letter. Now waka say Okudzato nsemo a woka no ye no kware mo na moji eduane no na eduane na asai enye no ano no na ki ye kan na kende ebebo mu din say at least mo kasa ye. You couldn't say anything and left Okudzato Ablakwa in the dark. But Okudzato Ablakwa nye obi a ono woni ahondin, he fought his way through. And there afiansa mo nya akukuduro kasa. Ni ye kasa di ntia na sa time na mo ayekuma wo se wo ni ye kasa. Na mo kasa. Ene yante mo nka. Na mo kasa. Charlie. Penyufo am wo krum ha, munya isa o. Echi for mo